Aero Asset presents this Leonardo A119Kx, serial number 14963. The AW119 from Leonardo is a single-engine, multi-role helicopter that possesses excellent fight qualities with high levels of controllability, maneuverability, and inherent safety. The AW119 employs a four-bladed, fully articulated main rotor with composite rotor blades designed to produce maximum lift with minimum noise. The wide-body fuselage allows for the 119 to be used in various roles, including emergency medical services, offshore, law enforcement operations, and VIP transport. A wide range of new avionics have been integrated in the 119Kx, including a Garmin G1000 glass cockpit, 3-axis aircraft flight control system, synthetic vision system, and an embedded helicopter terrain avoidance warning system. This low-time VIP configured 119Kx features a 6-passenger corporate configuration with air conditioning and enhanced soundproofing. The interior is further provisioned with fixed and removable parts for a foldable stretcher. Serial number 14963 is optioned with a unique high-altitude kit from Leonardo, allowing for operations up to 24,000 feet or 7,300 meters. It is further configured with the 4-cell fuel system offering 188 US gallons, providing maximum operational flexibility and endurance. Leonardo A119Kx, serial number 14963, presented by Aero Asset.